Okay, we're here at Lewis Boat Works, Hire Garage. We're doing a little bit of work finishing up a work deck. We brought in the first 12 by 20 shed, put some windows in it, and doing most of the cutting and sawing and painting, etc. in that. And then the Hire Garage next to it has been for storage of some of the wooden boats, keep the carpenter bees, etc. from getting to them. And put in this little gangplank so we can roll level from the driveway right into the shop, load and unload. And then in the, y'all been through the boat works before, how we got it set up in here. Current status, looks like we finished up the pram. And what we found during about half of the year is the driveway is too hot to work on. Thought that's a nice flat surface, but there's no shade. Up here, the houses that went in next to us, the builder decided to cut down all the trees, the front half of the lot, so that was kind of disappointing. So we lost that shade. So we were searching for shade this summer and found shade out back. So I was working on something one day and Skipper refused to sit in the driveway and bake, so she said, let's roll it all around to the back. So we did. We liked the space, so we thought, well, let's just put a little deck there level with the shed floor. So we just finished putting it in, same footprint, 12 by 20. And see, we'll take you over here. Let's go over the little bridge. The bridge to nowhere, or the bridge to somewhere. And our little nature path coming along. Conservation area. Nice place to go see what the squirrels are up to. One of the spots a skipper can skippervise from. Up, hold on, gotta pan back down left. There's her rock collection. So we had to clear out underbrush and overgrowth when we moved in, and now we're working on getting the yard and the landscaping in. I guess that's one of the things when you buy a new house, when none of that's done, you got to do it, or get somebody else to do it. So been having fun pulling everything together, getting it the way we like it. And this is a nice place to, going to be probably 9 months out of the year to sit out here. It might even be a good place during the wintertime if staying, got some of these trees to block the wind, and the shed might find it's a good space to be here even during that time frame. Spin back to the left here. I keep resisting the temptation to put a ramp on the end of this. I'm thinking, well, I can just roll it out the front door. They're both 6 feet wide. I guess if it was something taller, might got some temporary ramps we could put on there. Builder left a bunch of extra bricks, so we're going to make another little area where skipper vision can take place. But we're looking forward to having family and friends out here and just enjoying the sunset through what used to be the trees. Get some new neighbors soon. That ought to be fun. Have a nice spot to watch the helicopters fly over. See if we can see the one today, or if he's staying low behind the trees. That's where we plan to do next couple of builds. Maybe the sunfish, wooden sunfish. And if you're gonna do the cat boat, it's a little bigger. It might happen out there on the work deck. But that's your tour for today. You got all updated now. That'll do it.